Good day, everyone. Good day, Sir Villa, if you are watching now. I'm here to present our group collage called Faces of Inequality, collage on Philippine social strata or stratifications. So let's start. So first let me explain what social stratification means. So it is how people in society are divided into different levels or groups based on money, job, education, and status. So it shows that everyone has the same life. Some people are rich and powerful, while others are poor and have fewer chances to improve. So in the Philippines, this difference can clearly be seen in the way people live, especially between the rich and the poor. So now, so now let's talk about the collage. So we made it in a triangle shape or pyramid shape to show the different social classes in our country. The higher part means the fewer people, but they have more money and power. The lower part has more people, but they have less income and opportunities. At the top of the pyramid is the upper class, as you can see. Palaw ko, Zom Brianna. So at the top of the pyramid is the upper class. These are the most powerful people like the president and famous political families. As you can see in the pictures na diya silang Bongbong Marcos, Zaldico og si Martin og si Vizcaya, Vizcaya, mga politicals. They have kining mga tawanad na ay have a lot of money and control most of the country's resources. So next is the lower upper class. They are also rich and successful like company owners and big business leaders, but not as powerful as those at the top. Then we have the upper middle class. These are professionals like doctors, nurses, and nurses, engineers, and teachers. They live comfortable and have good jobs, but they still work for higher class. So below them is the lower middle class. This group includes office workers, call center agents, and small business owners. They earn enough to live decent, decently, but still face struggles, especially when prices go up. So next is the upper lower class. These are farmers, vendors, construction workers, and delivery riders. Kini sila, they work very hard, very every day, but still earn just enough for food and rent. So they help keep our economy running, but are often forgotten by society. At the bottom is the lower class. These are the mga poorest people like street dwellers, jobless families, and those living slum areas. They are they are they are the poorest people like they face many problems like hunger, a lack of education, and no proper home. So our collage shows the big difference, the rich and the poor in the Philippines. So it helps us see that while some people live in a comfort, offer, suffer, and struggle to survive. Every class every class is part of the society, but not everyone gets the same chance in life. So uh, I think that's all. Thank you, and that's the end of our presentations.